Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to update AOL Mail application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store. Also, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you open up your App Store, go to the search box at the top and type in AOL and search. Once you come across the search results, open up the AOL Mail News and Weather application that looks like this. If you see an update button right under or right next to the AOL app, simply tap on the update button to download the latest version of AOL on your mobile device. By updating the app, you will gain access to the greatest feature you love about AOL Mail, including organizing and filtering your emails, adding multiple accounts, reading the news, watching videos, and much more. So that was how you can easily update to the latest version of AOL Mail app using your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.